She's a bit of a dirty beast. So, let's get her cleaned up. A little soap to start off with. Got a little run to do tomorrow, so definitely want to make sure that she's looking good for it. You know, the only thing about this is it takes a while to get the soap going, you know what I mean? There we go. I mentioned this before. This is our 48 passenger coach. Leather seating inside. Nice sized bathroom. Seats recline. And of course, it's got some nice ambient lighting in it. And a good sound system. Did you know that the #1 song across any demographic, as far as I know when I travel with people, is Miley Cyrus?
It's a party in the USA.
Let's get some rinse action going now. Well, I still got soap in the line. Might as well hit this side a little bit. She's pretty dirty. All right. Let's go over to side 2. Ready? Can you see me down here? What do you think? We're looking pretty good? I think it looks pretty good, eh? Yeah. That'll be a wrap on that one.